Hello friends, welcome back to the part 4 or you can say the last part of our movies app. So if you don't watch our previous videos on our movies app, then you can check my description. I added the all of the video link along with them code. So now let's start the coding of our part 4. Now we have to add an functionality to remove these movies from our favorite list. So for that, first we have to create actions. Here we have to declare one more variable, that is remove favorite, and here we have to create another function. The name of that function is remove from favorite. Here we have to pass our movie and return type is remove favorite and pass the movie here. Now save this file. Now we have to tell our reducers that we change our actions. So go inside this favorite reducer. Here we have to add remove favorite. And after this case, we have to add another case. Inside this, first we have to get our variable, that is favorite movies. And here we have to filter it so we can remove our movies. First we have to pass inside our item, that is item.id, and we have to remove the item that is not equal to action.movie.id. After this we have to return our favorite movies. Now save this file. Now the same process we have to do with our movie item, like our add to favorite. Here remove from favorite. Here also remove from favorite. Here we have to pass function like this. We did all of this process earlier, so I don't want to show in detail. So remove from favorite. This dot set state favorited, and here we have to change the by default state like this. After that we have to copy this and paste here, but the function name is remove from favorite. So now save this file, but here we have to pass the ID. Now error is gone. I think movie also work. Let's see this. Yes. Now we have to call this function like this. So copy this stuff and add here, but the function name is remove from favorite. Search here for our movie, press on submit. Now I want to change this functionality whenever it is already inside this favorite list. I don't want to show this. So for that, go inside this movie result, and here I want to add another thing, that is show button, and here I want to pass true, and inside our favorite movie list. I don't want to show that. So show button, here false. Then go inside this movie item.js file, and here in this render I want to put here ternary operation. So if this.props.show button is true, then it will display this function, otherwise it is null. So now save this, and here you can see that button is gone inside our favorite list. Yes. Now let's use our last package, React Router DOM. So we have to switch between our favorite movies and our movies list. So for that, go inside our app.js component. Here first we have to import some of the things, like import favorite movie list from favorite movie list. After that, we also have to import browser router as router, then switch, and the last one is route. All of these from React Router DOM. Now inside this div, let's use of our router so we can route between our component. Here we have to add the switch functionality. Inside this, first we have to route and exact path, that is by default slash, and component for this is movie results. And the second route to the path is equal to favorite, and for that our component that we have to show is favorite movie list. Now close this tag and save this file. Now go inside this movie results.js, and here we have to import the link. So import link from React Router DOM, and for this we have to apply our link. So link to the path that is favorite, and let's cut this and put it here. Now remove this HR tag because it is not necessary now, and save this file. And now you can see here, whenever I click on this link, only favorite movie list is showing here. And now I want to go back to the original path. Yes, I can see the original path, which is only the slash. Yes, this functionality looks good. Now also add the home link inside our favorite list. So for that, go inside this favorite movie list.js file, And here first we have to import the link from React router DOM. Then we have to provide the link here. So link to our home, that is slash, and now save this file. Here is an error because we have to make this L capital. So now save again. And here you can see we also add link for our home, so we can switch between our favorite movie list and between our home page. Now I want to add an functionality like whenever I click on my movie like this, it will go inside the page that TMDB provide us. So for that, go inside this movie item.js file, and before this image I want to add this anchor tag. Put this here, and inside this I want to put href, that is equal to movie URL, that is our new variable. And after that we have to put our movie ID by this. Now let's declare our variable movie URL here like this. You can get from my description movie URL. So remember, URL component is for our image, that link is provided by TMDB, and for our movie URL this link is provided by TMDB also. And we can add our movie name by this plus sign, and here also the plus sign, and here we have to add our movie ID that we selected to this URL, so we can get that page that TMDB provide us. And let's add here the target is blank because I don't want to close my application whenever our user click on that. So for that, target is equal to blank. So now save this file, go to the browser, and whenever I click on this, you can see here a tag is applied perfectly, and whenever I click on that, it will go on the page that TMDB provide us. So here we can find all of the details of that movie regarding. So this is our project. Now on the home page, instead of our whole component, I only want to show the link that is favorite. So instead of this, let's write this only. So now you can see that is gone, and on my home page I can see only the favorite tag. Yes, here my favorite movies that is not selected yet, and inside my home I want to search any kind of movie. So now we completed our project. So now let's revise our project. So this is our project based on movies app that we build using React and Redux. So here at the home page we can search any kind of movie like John Wick, and we can press on the submit button. You can see here plenty of result according to our search is showing here. So now I want to move this movie inside my favorite list. So now I want to click on this like button. So whenever I go inside this favorite link, you can see here this movie is added inside my favorite. And now I want to go back at the home page. So you can see here I am back on my home page with that home link, and now I want to show details of this movie. So I click on this link, and here you can see I want to get all of the details of our movie John Wick. So this is the overview, director and the cast, and you can get all of the details according to our movie. So this is our project that we build using React. So if you like our video and project, then you can give me a thumbs up, and if you got any error while programming, then you can check my description. I added the GitHub code link. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye bye.